Hello everybody. Let's start today's class. Today I will start the chapter areas of parallelogram and triangles of exercise 9.3. It is part 4. In part 4 I will start from question number 12. The question is, a villager Itwari has a plot of land of the shape of a quadrilateral. The Gram Panchayat of the village decided to take over some portion of his plot from one of the corner to construct a health center. Itwari agrees to the above proposal with the condition that he should be given equal amount of land in lieu of his land adjoining his plot so as to form a triangular plot. Explain how his proposal will be implemented. Now check the figure. ABCD is a quadrilateral plot of Itwari. So, okay, Itwari has a plot of land ABCD. It's a quadrilateral. Join BD through C. Draw parallel EC parallel to BD. Meeting AB produced at E. Diagonals of quadrilateral ABECD intersect each other. Its diagonal intersect each other at O. Now triangle BC, okay, BCD and BED lie on the same base BD and between same parallel BD and CE. Therefore, area of triangle BDC, okay, BCD is equal to BED. It is the first relation. Now subtract this triangular part. So, okay, OBD, so, okay, or BOD. Subtracting triangle BOD from both sides, we will get a area of triangle ACD minus area of triangle BOD is equal area of triangle BED minus area of triangle BOD. So, okay, from first equation. Now these two, this minus it is only COD, or it is this area of COD is equal to area of BOE. These two triangle we have got. If we add this, check it, this blue part, if we add ABOD with both the plot, we will get ABCD one side, which is the Itwari's previous plot. In exchange, Itwari will get this part. So, adding with his original plot, it is AED, this one. So, okay. So, these two areas are equal. Now, here areas, adding areas of ABOD to both sides, we get area of COD plus area of ABOD. Together is area of ABCD. Okay, and this side area of BOE plus area of ABOD together is area of AED. Thus, Itwari can give triangular plot COD for health center and in lieu can take triangular plot BOE of equal area. His new triangular plot is triangle AED. So, okay, triangle AED. It is the Itwari's new plot. Now next question, question number 13. ABCD is a trapezium with AB parallel to DC, a line parallel to AC, a line AX, okay, XY parallel to AC, intersect AB at X and BC at Y. Prove that triangle ADX is equal to area of triangle ACX, sorry, ACY, this triangle. Okay, now join CX, this one. Okay, now triangle ADX and triangle ACX are on the same base AX and between same parallel AX and CD. Therefore, area of triangle ADX is equal area of triangle ACX. The first relation we have got. Now, from here ACX and ACY, these two triangle. Again ACX and ACY, these two triangle, okay, yellow triangle and this one triangle, on the same base AC and between same parallels AC and XY. Therefore, area of triangle ACX is equal to ACY. Got it? It is the second relation. Now check it, first and second relation. It is ACX is equal to this and ACX is equal to this. So these two are equal. Okay. So area of triangle ADX is equal area of triangle ACY. That proved. So okay. Next question, question number 14. AP parallel to BQ parallel CR. Proof that area of triangle AQC is equal area of triangle PBR. ABQ and triangle PQB lie on the same base BQ. It is ABQ and PQB. These two yellow triangles, they are on the same base BQ and between the same parallels BQ and AP. So okay, therefore area of triangle ABQ is equal area of triangle PQB. This is the first relation. Now from this one, these two are parallel also. So therefore CBQ and RQB, these two yellow triangle, okay, they are on the same base BQ and between same parallel BQ and CR. Therefore area of triangle CBQ is equal to area of triangle RQB. These two triangles are equal. This is the second. If you add first and second relation, it will get area of triangle ABQ plus area of triangle CBQ, and right hand side area of triangle PQB is plus area of triangle RQB. These two together, this and this, these two together is AQC and these two together is PBR. So AQC is equal PBR. Got it? Now next, diagonals AC and BD of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect at O in such a way that area of triangle AOD is equal area of triangle BOC. Proof that ABCD is a trapezium. Figure ABCD. So okay, here has not given AB is parallel to DC. We have to prove that, then we can say ABCD is a parallelogram. Has given area of triangle AOD is equal to area of triangle BOC. These two are equal, has given. Okay. Now first is area of triangle AOD is equal to area of triangle BOC. Now adding both sides, DOC, this part, add in with this and with this. So it is adding this part, AOD plus area of triangle DOC is equal area of triangle BOC plus area of triangle DOC. These two together is area of triangle DOC, and this side area of triangle BOC. So okay, BOD. Area of triangle AOC ADC plus equal to BCD. Now this triangle, you can draw AP is the perpendicular on DC and BQ is the perpendicular on DC. Okay. So if these are perpendicular, so it is half area of triangle, this is half DC into AP and it is half DC into BQ. So okay, DP and BQ. Now it is half DC will cancel, AP is equal to BQ, and these two are perpendicular, means it is 90 degree, it is 90 degree, it is a quadrilateral. So we can say these two lines are parallel, so ABCD is a trapezium. Okay. Next question. It is the last question of this part. In figure 9.29, so okay, area of DRC is equal to area of DPC and area of BDP is equal to area of ARC. So that both the quadrilaterals ABCD and DCPR are trapezium. Okay, ABCD and DCPR, both the quadrilaterals are trapezium. We have to prove. That means AB parallel to DC parallel to PR we have to prove. So okay, now area of triangle DRC is equal to area of triangle DPC, that has given. Now and area of triangle DRC is equal area of triangle DPC has given. DRC and DPC on the base DC. Okay, now lie on the same base DC and have equal areas, thus must lie between the same parallels. Okay, so DC parallel to RP, DC parallel to RP, got it? Hence DCRP is a trapezium. Similarly, triangle triangle ARC has given. ARC, this triangle is equal to BDP, this has given. So from here ARC minus DCR, if you minus it DRC, so you will get it area of triangle ADC, and this side if you minus it is means subtract first and second relation if you subtract. So okay, it is area of triangle BCD. So therefore now area of triangle ADC and BCD lie on the same base DC and have the equal areas. So they must lie between the same parallels. Therefore AB parallel to DC. Hence parallelogram quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium. Thank you very much.